Welcome to the session of the VI characteristics of junction field effect transistor. Learning outcome of the session. At the end of the session, the students will be able to simulate the VI characteristics of junction field effect transistor. Before proceeding, let me ask you one question. What are the different applications of junction field effect transistor? You can pause the video, think about the question, write down your answer in your notebook. In order to see the answer, you can resume the video. So the basic application of the junction field effect transistor is switch. Effect can be used in a chopper circuit. It can be used as an amplifier. It can be used in oscillatory circuit because of its low frequency drift. And it can be used in digital circuits such as computers, LCD, memory circuits because of their small size. Here shows the symbol and the construction of junction field effect transistor. So this is the n channel junction field effect transistor because the channel is made up of the n type of the semiconductor, and this is the p channel junction field effect transistor because the channel is made up of the p type of the semiconductor material. The junction field effect transistor is a semiconductor device in the family of the field effect transistor. Field effect transistor is a type of the transistor which being operated by the electrical field applied across the junction of the device. There are many types of the field effect transistors such as junction field effect transistor and a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, which is also known as a MOSFET. So figure shows the construction of n channel junction field effect transistor. An n channel junction field effect transistor is made up of the silicon or germanium arsenide. The bar is doped with the n type of the impurity. One metallic terminal is attached to the each end of the bar. One of the terminal is called as a drain terminal and the other terminal is called as a source terminal. The two sides of the bars are heavily doped with the p type of the impurities, and the region which is doped with the p type of the impurities are called as a gate region. A metallic terminal is connected to the gate region and a terminal is called as a gate terminal. So this is a drain terminal, this is a source terminal, and this is the gate terminal. So gate to source voltage is VGS applied and the drain to source voltage is VDS. So from the figure you can see that VDS has a positive terminal connected to the drain and the negative terminal is connected to the source. So because of that, what happens, the NPN junction will become forward bias, and from this we can observe that the gate terminal is connected to the negative terminal and the source terminal is connected to the positive terminal, and because of that, so this PN junction diode will become a, so this PN junction and this PN junction diode will become a reverse bias, and it will create a depletion region which is shown by the white figure. So the VI characteristics of the junction field effect transistor is nothing but the plot in between the drain to source voltage and the drain current ID. So there are four basic regions: ohmic region, active region, or it is also called as a saturation region, and the breakdown region. So in ohmic region occurs when VGS is equal to 0. The depletion layer of the channel is very small and the junction field effect transistor act as a voltage controller resistor. The cutoff region, this region is also known as a pinch off region where the gate voltage VGS is sufficient to cause the junction field effect transistor to act as an open circuit and the channel resistance is at the maximum. The saturation region, or it is also called as active region. A junction field effect transistor become a good conductor and it is controlled by the gate to source voltage, while the drain to source voltage has a very little effect or no effect. The breakdown region, the voltage in between the drain and source is high enough to cause the junction field effect transistor's resistive channel to break down and pass the uncontrolled maximum current across the channel, and this situation is called as a breakdown situation, and at that time the current is very high. So what is the transfer characteristics? A transfer characteristic is drawn in between the gate voltage and the drain current by keeping the drain to source voltage at the pinch off level. When the gate is in zero potential, the maximum drain current flowing through the transistor is shorted gate drain current, that is IDSS. Now as the negative potential of the gate current increases, the corresponding to the drain current gate decreases, and after a certain negative gate voltage the drain current become 0. So the negative gate terminal voltage at which the drain current becomes 0 for the applied drain to source voltage same as that of the pinch off voltage is called as the gate to source cutoff voltage, that is VGS off. So you can see that the VGS off is equal to minus Vp. So at that point we have a zero drain current. Let us see the VI characteristics and transfer characteristics of the junction field effect transistor in LT-SPICE. Let us simulate this. In order to simulate the VI characteristics, go to the file and create a new schematic. So this is the blank schematic where we are going to draw our circuit. So go to the component, you can see the option of the component here. And first we will add the JFET. So where is the JFET? You can see that here is a name written NJF. So what is the meaning of that? A junction field effect transistor, N type of the junction field effect transistor. Then click OK. So I will place the transistor here. Next we have to select the transistor, particular transistor. So move your cursor over that component and right click your mouse. Here you can see that there is an option of pick a new device. So click on that option and select this transistor 2N3819 and click OK. Now we will add the voltage source. So where is the voltage? Go to the component and you will see that there is a option of voltage. So add this source at the input and one source will be added at the output. So this we can rename this. In order to rename the voltage source, go to the option that name V1, right click your mouse and give the name as VGS, and this voltage source will be given as VDS. Now in order to give the value, right click over that component and give the value as minus 2 volt, and here give the value as 10 volt. Now we will add the resistors. So here is the symbol of the resistor. You can add the resistor. Before adding, let us rotate that resistor. Now connect the components by using the wire. So you can see that here is a symbol of the wire. So connect the components. So I will connect the drain to the one terminal of the resistor. Another terminal of the resistor will be connected to the positive terminal of the voltage source. The negative terminals are connected together, and here the terminal is connected to the gate, and from this the source is connected to the ground. Now in order to add the ground, here is a symbol of the ground. Click on that and add the ground. Connect this ground by using the wire. Now let us give the value to this resistor. Move your cursor over there and right click and give the value as say 100 ohm. Now what we want to have the VI characteristics of the junction field effect transistor. The VI characteristics are nothing but the plot in between the drain to source voltage and the drain current ID. So for that we have to change the value of the VDS, and for the changing value of the VDS we have to plot the drain current ID values. So how to do that? Go to the simulate option. Here we have the edit simulation command. You can select the DC sweep analysis. So what will be the voltage source here? The voltage source will be what? VDS. So write VDS. The type of the sweep I will take it as a linear. So start value of the VDS will be 0, end value will be 10 and 0.1 steps. So what is the meaning of that? We are going to change the VDS source value from 0 to 10 on the x-axis in steps of 0.1. And for each increment of 0.1 we are going to plot the value of the ID, drain current ID. Okay, so click on OK here. Then go to the simulate option and run. Now we can observe that there is a blank output is available. On the x-axis we have the VDS, and now on y-axis what we want? The drain current. Now if you move your cursor over this line, you will see the voltage marker. And if you move your cursor over here, you will see there is a current marker. So in order to plot a current, we have to use this marker. So click on that. So you can observe that these are the VI characteristics of the junction field effect transistor for the changing value of the VDS, and here the VGS is kept constant. Because of that we have got only one line. Now let us see what will happen if you change the value of the voltage VGS. So I will close this window, maximize this window, go to the simulate option and go to the edit simulation command. Now here you can see that there is a second voltage source. We can also vary the second voltage source. So what is that? I will give the voltage as source as name VGS. So the start value of the voltage source will be 0. let us give the end value as 8 minus 8 in the steps of say 1 and click OK. And again go to the run option and run the simulation. So again what we have to do, we have to observe the different plots of drain current. Move your cursor over here. So what you are now seeing, we have the different plots, okay, multiple plots are available. So this is a plot for one value of the voltage VGS, this is a plot for another value of the voltage VGS, and this is the plot for another value, and finally we will get the cutoff region here. So this region will be ohmic region, this will be the saturation region, and this will be the cutoff region. So this is a VI characteristics of the junction field effect transistor. Now what we want to do next, we want to have a transfer characteristics. So for the transfer characteristics, what we want to have the plot of VGS versus the drain current. So go to the simulate option, go to the edit simulation command. So I will delete all the things, okay, and we will only vary one voltage source. Let us give it as a voltage VGS, because we want to have a plot of drain current versus gate to source voltage. So the stop value, let us give it as a minus 8, and increment we will keep it as it is and click on OK. Now the new value of the voltage source will be what? It will be varied from 0 to minus 8 volt in steps of 0.1 volt. Now go to the simulate option and run the simulation. Now you move your cursor over this terminal, you will see the current marker and click on that. We have got the graph which is nothing but the graph in between the drain current and the gate to source voltage, that is transfer characteristics. So in this way we have simulated the VI characteristics and transfer characteristics of junction field effect transistor. These are the references of the session. Thank you.